Hello and welcome everyone to today's video. So in this week, complete the following tasks and submit on your portal as your assignment for the week, which is to critically analyze emerging trends in natural language processing and computer vision. After that, submit a link to your document in the assignment tab of your dashboard. So in this particular video, we are going to critically analyze emerging trends in natural language processing, and after that, we are going to submit a link of the assignment in the assignment tab of our dashboard. So without much further ado, if this video is actually what interests you, please help me subscribe to this channel. Do also help me share this video to others, comment about this video on the comment section so that it will actually be of great help to the YouTube algorithm. Without much further ado, let's get right into solving this particular assignment. So the emerging trends in natural language processing and computer vision are driving rapid advancement across various industries. These trends focus on improving model performance, scalability, interpretability, making AI more accessible, and what have you. So here are some critical analysis of some key trends that are in both natural language processing and computer vision. The first one is large language models and foundational models. So large language models like your ChatGPT, Llama, and others are pre-trained on vast amounts of text data and serve as foundation models for various natural language processing tasks such as translation, summarization, question and answering. We've been using ChatGPT and other AI tools recently, which helps to make our lives better. So these models have improved the accuracy and efficiency of NLP applications, allowing fine-tuning on specific tasks with relatively small data sets. However, they are computationally intensive, raising concerns about environmental impact and accessibility. The second one is few shot, zero shot, and one shot learning. So these are types of learning or methods that allow models to perform new tasks with little or no task specific training data, right? So zero shot learning enables models to generalize to unseen tasks, while few shot and one shot learning require minimal examples to adapt to new context. The impact is that it reduces the dependency on large labeled datasets, making NLP applications more adaptable across languages and specialized domains. This trend has expanded accessibility, enabling more inclusive NLP applications for low-resource languages. So the third one is self-supervised and semi-supervised learning. These are learning types of learning that involves training models with explicit human labeled data, right? Using a combination of labeled and unlabeled data. The impact is that this technique has significantly reduced the need of labeled datasets, allowing more scalable and cost-effective training process. They have also driven advancements in tasks like object detection, segmentation, anomaly detection, etc. The fourth one is on real-time video analysis and surveillance. So real-time computer vision applications are now being deployed for tasks like object detection, object tracking, feature recognition, behavioral analysis, surveillance systems, etc. And some of the impacts is that real-time video analysis has applications in security, traffic monitoring, and event recognition. This technology enables faster, proactive responses in critical situations, such as identifying potential security threats or traffic violations. So let's talk about the emerging trends on LLP. So if you have actually enjoyed this video, please do help me subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Also share these videos to others. Whatever your concerns are or your comments, please drop them in the comment section so that I'll be willing to engage with you. With that being said, the next thing we are going to do right here is to click on this share button, and then I'll change it from restricted to anyone with a link, and then I copy this link, then I submit it on my dashboard. That is it about this particular assignment. With that being said, do have a nice day. Thank you.